Hey, what's up, you guys? So this Easter day, and it's an emergency service call. We have a really bad leaking through the roof. The customer thought that the ACs were leaking through the attic. So I want to check the roof. I checked the swamp cooler, checked the water spout, and then I checked the drains, and everything was bone dry. Everything looked good. Everything looked good on my end, but I wasn't gonna leave the customer with water spilling all over the roof, and the drop ceiling began to soak a lot of water and begin to crumble downward. I couldn't mess around because if this leak got even worse, a lot of this roof would kind of crumble downward, and it looks like one of the main lines actually got a pinhole leak. I put two rags to kind of diagonal the water downward, and we called a plumber out to fix it.